Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Basavaraju. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create custom tabs in Salesforce CRM. So if you are learning Salesforce or if you are working a real-time project, this video is more helpful for you. Without wasting your time, let's get started. So first we need to go with what is custom tab in Salesforce. Before creating, let's understand the concept first. A custom tab in Salesforce is used to display the custom objects, show the visual force pages, display the web content, make components visible in the app navigation bar. Currently, you can see I have multiple objects in my navigation menu. Click on any one of that, open on record. So this is we call it as tab. Using tab only you can view the records. So this is the purpose of tab. Without a tab, user cannot easily access a custom object from menu. So if you don't have a tab for an object, you don't able to access this object in navigation menu. So we have three types of tabs in Salesforce. One is custom tab, second one is web tab, third one is visual force tab. In this video, we will go with custom tab, how to create custom tab. Then how to create that, click on gear icon, click on setup. In quick find box, just search tabs. Open tabs, you can see all the custom tabs are available in here. So just try to create new. Just click on new. So in here, you need to select the object name. Object name means in this menu, you can see which are the object created doesn't have the tabs. That object only we can see in this list. So I will select invoice. You can also set the tab style. I will select this one. Then click on next. Then we need to give the profile permissions. It will currently in default on. So as it is, I will go to next. Click on save. Once it's saved, our custom tabs are ready. For example, you can see invoices. It's also present. Then go to your front end. Just hard refresh once. Once you hard refresh that, in menu, click on pencil icon. Go to add more items. Click on all. Search invoice object. So we have that. Click on that. Add navigation item. Click on save. Once you add that, click on more. Open that invoice. So currently we have that particular invoice object in navigation menu. Just try to click on new. You can see some basic fields are present. So I will give it as something like this. Click on save. So you don't have a tab, you are not able to view that particular object like this. So this is how we can create tabs in easily. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.